Hi guys, I'm Abdul and today we are going to learn how to make a PowerPoint presentation. To create an impressive PowerPoint presentation, you have to follow some tips that will make your presentation looks better. Okay, so we will look to those tips. Keep it simple. Try to stick to your topic and present it in such a way that it sounds catchy to the audience. Second, limit your words is very important. Be specific, make it short and reasonable. Try to make points. Don't use paragraphs. Paragraphs looks boring. Use object builds and slide transitions carefully. Use high quality graphics, including photographs. Pictures looks interesting. Try to use more and more pictures in your presentation. Use a theme, but try to avoid inbuilt templates. They have been seen by your audience couple of times. Use charts to make your presentation looks better. Make use of colors. Don't make your presentation very colorful, but try to make it moderate. If you try to make it moderate, it will look good and it will look more catchy. Choose your fonts well. Last but not the least, add a video or audio according to your topic. A video can explain more about your topic than those boring text will. So do not forget to add a video or audio in between your presentation. That will really make your presentation in a in another level. So now we will start with PowerPoint 2013. We will try to learn basics of creating a presentation using PowerPoint. So let's get started. In PowerPoint, most new projects begin the same way, with creating or opening new blank presentations. All you have to do is click on File and you are at the Backstage view and choose New. Okay. If you prefer to start blank, go ahead and click on Blank Presentation. Or you can take a look at one of the built-in themes. At the starting, I have said don't use those inbuilt themes if you want to make your presentation looks different and impressive. And if you are going to use those built-in, try not to make it look similar. Use some editing I'm going to tell you later in this video. If you want a little more guidance on your presentation, you can always start with a template instead. You will find them in the very same Backstage view. Templates are like themes, come with their own design and color scheme, but they contain some guidelines that will help you further develop your slides. Choose a template or search according to your topic. Like I want to make a presentation on animals, so I will type animals and it will give me suggestion. You just for a preview just have to click on those templates and then you have to click on create to start a presentation using those templates. Now you can start adding your own content to these slides. There are guidelines available, so it will be easier for you to make this slide work for you, to make this presentation work for you. Adding an existing presentation is also very easy. Again, click on File, go to Backstage view and click on Open. You can also pin certain presentation here. If you want to pin, you just have to click on Pin button. Under Computer, you can access files that are actually saved to your computer. just click on browse and you will get those presentation you have saved earlier. Now I will give you an example of a PowerPoint presentation, and in this I try to cover maximum features of PowerPoint 2030. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first I have to choose a topic. I will choose BTech as my topic. For this, I can choose a template. I can search for here at my backstage view in new, and I can go and search for a template for BTech. But this time I will start blank. When you start with a new slide, it will usually include one or more placeholders. These are called placeholders. Placeholders can contain text like this, pictures, charts, and all kind of different objects. You can also use you can also insert videos using this type of placeholders. Okay, the way these placeholders are arranged has to do with the layout of your slide. This layout happens to include one for the title and other for adding different type of contents that you want to add to your presentation. You can choose a blank slide also. By using this blank slide, I will try to cover maximum features of this PowerPoint. Okay, so I'll start with inserting a text box. You just have to go to insert menu, you have to click text box, and by using text box you can insert text in your blanks in your blank slide. If you want to increase the size of the font, just click on those font and go to font, and you can increase the size. You can also change the font style if you want, like I want to change it to italic, so it will look like this. Now I will start with a blank slide. It will give me more option of customization. Okay, so this is a blank slide. So if I want to add text, I just have to go to insert tab and click on text box, and I can add text anywhere I want. So this is my text. So now I can write text on this, whatever I like to. If I want to increase the size of my font, I can do that too. Just click on this and go to font menu, and now you can increase the size of your font. You can also change the font style, and when you are done, click on OK. So it's done. Now I will tell you how to add pictures. Adding pictures is also as easy as adding text. So just go on insert tab and here you will find pictures. Go and choose the picture you want to insert, and then you can just add a picture to your slides. If you want to add a video or audio, that is also very easy. Just go to insert tab, go to video, and you can add online videos or video on your PC. You can also add audio. You can also do screen recording. There are a lot of options available with PowerPoint 2030. Okay, now you know that to insert a slide, you have to go to Home tab and click on New Slide, and you can add as many slides as you want. And if you want to change the layout of a page, you can also do that by going to Layout and clicking on the layout you want to insert, like this. Okay, now it's done. So we will move further and more about this PowerPoint 2030. You can also copy paste your slide if you want a similar slide according to your slide, like this. If you want a slide like this, so you can just copy this and paste this where you want to paste. Now instead of inserting more slides for rest of the contents in the slideshow, I'd like to try copying and pasting instead. Like if I want one more slide like this, I can just copy this slide and paste this where I want that copy to appear, like this. This can save your time when you need slides similar to slide that you already has. Just select the slide and click copy command and then paste. You have to click in between where you want to paste the copy. Now moving further, next I'd like to take a closer look at the slide itself and show you some ways that you can customize it. You can also change font format and slide size according to your presentation and their dimension. The important thing in PowerPoint 2013 is nothing is fixed. You can customize them always as you want and can change the look of your slide. You can also delete a path holder. You have to you just have to click on this if you want to delete it, and click on backspace or delete on your keyboard, and that would be deleted. Placeholders can also be moved and resized. You can also move them, and you can also resize them using resizing handle here. Okay, now let's just fill this. Let's move further. So you can see that these customization can come handy if you are working with a blank slide or a presentation that's highly customized. Just go to the insert tab, then click the text box command, and you can add text box. And again, you want to add pictures, just go to insert tab and click on pictures, and you can add pictures. You can add shapes, smart art, chart, anything you want. So by this way you can make your own slide very different in look, like more. You may not want to change things too much though, depending on your level of design experience. Sometimes it is better to try a different layout instead. In other words, one that has arrangements you need, or you can choose a different theme using the options on the design tab. Go to design tab, choose any theme as you like. Everyone has a different view. You can just place your mouse over them and they will give you a preview of. Okay, so you can see that everyone has a different type of preview, everyone has different kind of contents, so you can easily try out different designs and change the look of your slide. I think I like this one more, so this would be my current theme for now. There are a couple of more features on Design tab that will help you customize your slide, but for that you have to go and try it by yourself. Now, now you know how to work with slide placeholders and layouts. In the last, I just want to give you a slideshow of a presentation that I have created for you guys as an example, so it would be helpful for you. And so I'll start the slideshow of my presentation. It's just an example. You can add more slides. Try to add 25 or 8 slides to your presentation. That will make your presentation explain more. So try to make 25 to 30 slides and not forget to add videos or audios to your presentation. That will make your presentation looks good. So now I will start my slideshow. Enjoy. There's a video. Okay, so it's over. Thank you for watching this video. I think I'm able to tell you basics about PowerPoint 2013 and how to make a presentation using it. So go and try it by yourself and explore more. If you have any doubts, comment below. I will be available with an answer. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. I will be available with more videos. Thank you and goodbye till the next time. Thank you guys.